Modarri cars are fully customizable toy cars with interchangeable parts, a real steering mechanism, a real working suspension, and rubber tires. How much is the Modarri car? Modarri cars are expected to be available in mid-July 2014, but there is no announcement yet on its exact selling price. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. Being able to swap fenders, roll cages, and all 12 parts of this toy race car allows for a lot of freedom and fun. The unique steering and suspension system are also very impressive. Another great plus is how it is not battery operated. Here's our conclusion. Toy cars keep getting reinvented, and the Modarri cars are definitely getting ahead of the pack when it comes to style and overall performance. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.